In the previous video, we discussed the difference between WCS and UCS. Now let's go deeper into the Coordinates panel and see how we can manage coordinate systems more efficiently inside real projects. The first button allows us to show or hide the UCS icon. The second button opens the UCS icon properties. Here, we can adjust the size, color, and appearance of the UCS icon. This is useful when working in complex drawings, where the default icon might be too small or not clearly visible. The third button allows us to manually define a new UCS. Here, we can select the origin point and specify the direction of the axis manually. The fourth button opens the UCS Manager. Here we can view, save, rename, and restore previously created coordinate systems. The next button allows us to rotate the UCS around the X, Y, or Z axis. This changes the orientation of the coordinate system, not the object itself. The next button restores the previously active UCS. It allows us to quickly return to the coordinate system we were using before. The next useful tool is the 3-point UCS. With this option, we define the coordinate system using 3 points. And that's it for the most useful options inside the Coordinates panel. In many projects, you might not even need to use all of them, and that's completely fine. What's important is understanding when they do, so you can apply them when the situation requires it.